Composite, 23076. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. We got our NFL list coming up. All right, 5 times. Here we go. Good luck, folks. Let's get a CJ Stroud Superfractor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Buffalo Bills. Bottom is Seattle Seahawks. That is 5 times. All right. Lots of good teams in this. Let's get something good for one of them. This isn't the light, is it? No, all good. All right, Bryce Young, Ed McCaffrey, Stephen Davis, Dave Novacek to 150, Teddy Bruschi for New England. Ray Lewis, Manning, and Ocho Cinco. Chad Johnson should always have cards numbered to 85, just for him. Midnight, son of McDab, meet him at midnight to 125, Jonathan Kirst, Doug Flutie, Jerome Bettis, Chris Johnson. Morden, LT, Sterling Sharp, Danny Amendola in that weird, I don't know what it is, but I like it. CJ Stroud, Refractor, very nice, unnumbered, the Cosmic. Cosmic is the one that everyone's kind of going crazy for out of these. Eli Manning, Charles Tillman, Midnight, Jason Taylor, Bryce Young, Voltaic. To 299, Will Levis, that's a beautiful color there. CJ Stroud, Voltaic, Sproles, and Emmitt Smith. Green to 99, Ben Coates, New England. New England is a great team to pick up in this. Troy Aikman. Yeah, I don't really know what they are. Andre Reed, Midnight's Barry Sanders, Warren Moon Refractor, AP, Barry Sanders, Frank Gore. This has got some thickness to it. I reckon we got something thick coming on here. Make a name for myself. To 125, Bryce Young, amped up. That is very nice there for Carolina. Caroline. Spot 4. Peter Dimitri, congratulations. Eddie George, James Harrison, Bettis, Jim Kelly. John Johnson, Barry Foster, Eli Manning. To 250, Jason Taylor. Bryce Young, Rod Smith, Troy Aikman. Brett Favre, Jerry Rice, Antonio Gates. Gold to 50, Fred Taylor, grounded for Jacksonville. Yes. Justin Tuck. Modern Artistes, Chris Johnson. Peterson, Terrell Davis. McNabb, Levis, Brady. Boomy Sasson. To 175, CJ Stroud. Very nice there for the Texans. Ocho Cinco, Peyton Manning, Wayne Sherbert. Aaron Smith, Alexander. Steve Grogan auto. New England. Ocho Cinco, Refractor. Gore, Gronkowski, McCaffrey. And finally, Midnight Manning, Eddie George, Bruce Smith, Peterson, Dexter Manley, and that is Composite 23076. Thank you.